What's up guys, Frankie here, aka Super Speed 302, and welcome back to the channel with another video here. Today we're gonna do something crazy actually for my car. If you hear that all that noise in the back is because that's the parts I'm about to install in my car. They're just rattling in the back because I have a bunch of stuff in it, so I hope you don't mind the sound. But yeah, today we're gonna be installing a full catback exhaust on my 2017 Mustang GT, and this is actually pretty crazy because I got it for a killer deal, and y'all wouldn't believe how much I paid for this. So I will explain y'all here in a little bit when I get to my buddy's place. We are gonna have the ramps and everything set up for the car, but I'm not telling you the brand and everything. So yeah, we're installing a full catback exhaust from Borla with some Borla attack axle fans, which are the loudest of the lineup for Borla, and they are ridiculously pricey. And I'm not kidding when I'm telling you this. So yeah, I actually got these for super cheap. But yeah, I'm about to head to my friend's house, and I will show you all the parts. I will kind of go through the whole deal, how I got these for such a killer price and everything. So yeah, guys, I will see you in a little bit. Alright, I forgot to record this part before I pull up to my friend's house. This is the next day, but I'm going to put this right after the part that y'all just saw, and then it's gonna jump back to the install. But I'm gonna explain pretty much how much I paid for this for the system. If you look up online, full catback system from Borla is $1,300 or $1,400 for a 2017 Mustang GT. I pay around $450. The deal was I bought the axle backs first for $350, thinking they were gonna fit on my car. Well, they are the 3-inch system, so they were not gonna fit on my car. The guy luckily knew the person that had the other pieces. He just had them laying around, and he just wanted $100 for them, and he gave me all the parts, you know, the X pipe, the adapters, all the clamps, the over axle pipes, and all that stuff, and that will make my car, everything work for my car. So I went up and bought them, picked them up. Long story short, I ended up paying just $450 for the whole system, which means that I save up $1,000 for my full exhaust, and I'm happy for that because right now pretty much this is like what you get for a bang for the buck, whatever they call it. I don't know. You just save up money. It's cheap, and it works good. It works good. I'm not gonna spoil much, but yeah, I just wanted to add this little part so y'all know what was the deal and how much I paid. So yeah. Okay guys, we're at my buddy's house right now, just waiting for him to show up. But here's what we got. The X pipe with the adapters. I don't know if you can see it right there, the 2.5-inch adapters to 3-inch piping, the whole piping that goes over the axles, and we have the mufflers right there. Borla attacks. I have it on this one too. Borla attacks. Excuse a little fucked up. Well, this hanger fell off, and we just kind of just tack it together, but we're about to put on the car. We have some ramps and everything. Here's my body over here, about to pull up. But yeah, we're gonna go lift up the car. I have the tools here, I have pretty much everything here, and I will show you the difference between the old ones and the new ones when everything is set up and ready to be installed. What we did before, we couldn't install the old mufflers. We cut these ones off, and then we realized that those were too big. So today I picked up all the piping. And yeah, but what we have to do is you take the bolts right here for these hangers, and we just put them aside. But we don't take the hangers off until we do loosen up the bolts over there by the resonator. The resonator is a little box that you see right there. It's rectangular. Let me get a little closer. All that. We're gonna loosen up the bolts that are right on front from the clamps, and then after that we are gonna be able to put the new pieces, and then I'm gonna show you the difference between the old ones and the new ones. And y'all will see I will put an old clip that I have from how the car sounds with this, with the mufflers off, and then we're gonna record a new clip with the new exhaust system on. Right now my homie Chris is over there helping me out, and we are waiting to get some jack stands from our homies. He's about to be here, and we can lift the car up more because we're probably gonna need more space. So yeah, we finally got the all exhaust off. So what? Exactly, that's what I thought. This is the old resonator. This is what I was telling you about.
Are you far away? You can put your hand on it for me.
No, thank you. I don't want to get burned. And then this is the X pipe, which is gonna replace the resonator. And this is gonna have more air, more free flow for the exhaust than this will do. And then also this one is a 3-inch diameter pipe versus a 2.5-inch diameter, which you can definitely tell the difference. So we are gonna head and start installing piece by piece and see how it turns out. My homie Ronnie over here came with the help with the jack stands and the jack, and we just got the X pipe part put in. We haven't tightened it up yet. I'm gonna get them snug in a little bit. And the guys over there, they are putting the hangers on the new pipes for right now, but I think they're struggling. Seems like it. But yeah, so this is how the X pipe looks like, and the X pipe is lighter than the resonator for sure. I mean, you can see the resonator was a big box. This is just the two pipes held together, and right here you can see your adapters from the 3-inch down to the 2.5-inch, and then your other pipes. Alright guys, so we just got done with the install, and you can see here's the old one. I'm heading home right now. We're gonna go play soccer for a little bit. But the car sounds amazing. I'm gonna show you the clip of the exhaust and everything. Tomorrow morning I'll record a cold start so you can hear it. And yeah guys, the clips are right here.